Hi guys, today we're going to be doing this really fun app that you can do coding and you can make your own games, and it's super fun by CODEVERSE. So let's get into it. This is how it works. You first get your class and they'll give you your own teacher to help you with your experience. All you have to do is be on the home and they will tell you what to do and what you need. They can also see what you have done, so if you mess up or do a mistake, they can help you out easily, and it's super fun. I had an incredible time and I totally recommend this for friends and share with so many people because this is super fun. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the home page that shows all the projects and all the missions that you can do. And when you click on your mission, you'll get like your toolbox that you can add all the things that you need, such as I'm going to put the cake, and you make your own code that they will teach you how to make. It's super fun and they tell you step by step. There are all the missions, and this is one of the missions that I did. That was the fruit slice one. It was super fun to do, and it was really enjoyable to do with other people as well. And here are the missions that you do. There's different levels and beginners. This is one I made of basketball, and it's super fun. Thank you so much, CODEVERSE, helping me with this experience of learning how to code. It was super fun and I enjoyed it, every second of it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.